Welcome to this Bartech mathematics tutorial on functions. In this video, we will explore the definition of functions, their various types, inverse functions, composition, and how to determine domain and range. Let's learn step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to define functions, identify their types, understand inverse functions, evaluate compositions, and determine both the domain and range of a function. A function is a rule that assigns each element of a domain to exactly one element of a codomain. Essentially, every input must have one and only one output. If an input maps to two different outputs, it is not a function. Consider the function f of x equals 2x plus 3. For any input x, we multiply by 2 and add 3 to get the output. As shown in the table, every input value leads to exactly one output, which confirms it is a function. The domain is the set of all possible input values for which a function is defined. For example, some functions have restrictions, like denominators that cannot be 0, or square roots that require non-negative values inside. While the domain concerns inputs, the range represents all possible output values that a function can produce. For linear functions, the range is often all real numbers, but other functions have specific limits based on their behavior. Functions are classified by their input-output relationships. One-to-one functions map unique inputs to unique outputs. Many-to-one functions can map different inputs to the same output, while constant functions map every input to a single, identical output. Other key types include identity functions, which map elements to themselves, onto functions, where every element in the codomain is used, and into functions, where some elements in the codomain are left unmapped. Composition of functions occurs when one function acts after another, written as f of g of x. It is important to note that the order matters, as f of g of x is generally not equal to g of f of x. An inverse function effectively undoes the original function. Only one-to-one functions have an inverse. To find it, swap the x and y variables in your equation and solve for y. Here is a quick recap of the concepts we've covered: functions, domain, range, composition, and inverses. Keep these definitions in mind, and you will be able to approach function problems with confidence. Ready to test your knowledge? Try these practice questions to apply what you've learned. Remember to practice regularly, and subscribe to our channel for more math tutorials. Thanks for watching.